Log in to 711Proxy website. Click Proxy Setup and API. In the left sidebar, select Residential Proxies. Select API. Add the local address to the whitelist before API access. Click Add now. Confirm adding whitelist. Choose a plan type. Select country, region. Setting the number of proxies to generate. Selecting proxy protocols, formats, and separator. Click to generate. Open link. API obtained successfully. You can start using. Open ixBrowser. Click Create Profile. Choose the platform you need. Fill in the name. Click on Proxy Configuration above. Select Proxy type. Fill in the hosts and ports replicated from 711Proxy. Click on Proxy Detection. Successful detection. Click Save to start using.